Alright guys, well, going into work today and ran into a down tree, which is actually a good thing because we rebuilt a chainsaw for work a couple weeks ago and we have not been able to test this thing yet, and today is the perfect opportunity. Well, what's so special about this is we're really using a cheap top end kit. This top end kit came with the piston, ring, the bearing, what else the cylinder, the whole cylinder came with it, gaskets, everything, and it was less than $45. There's some that you can get for a little bit more that comes even with a new muffler. We did not get that, but we did a couple heat cycles on this. We have not actually ran it to cut anything yet, so I'm pretty excited to see the durability of this thing. This saw has been sitting for a few weeks, and within a few pulls, the thing fired right up. Let's cut this tree up. It took about 30 minutes. You guys can check it out, see that it ran with no problems at all. So obviously there's a lot of variables that go into a good running saw: carburetor, tuning, spark plug, air filters, fuel filters, the type of fuel you're running, tons of different things. This saw ran great, lots of compression, had no problem with the power. Another big thing is your chain. Make sure you have a nice sharp chain. This saw worked great. It cut through this tree like butter. Now again, we're going to show the eBay listing. This thing was dirt cheap. I'm very happy with it. We'll see how long it lasts. This thing might last a year, might last a couple months. I don't know. But we'll keep a good mixture of oil and gas in it, and we'll just see how long she lasts. Hope you guys enjoyed. God bless.